everyone, it's Patty. So today I wanted to do kind of like a clean, spruce up, get ready for fall video. We are all under the weather here and sick, so I thought maybe if I get moving and start reorganizing and getting ready for fall decorations, that'll help pass the time, because it is not fun being sick and then having sick kiddos too. So we did some school this morning and we just wrapped it up. So I figured for the rest of the day I'm gonna try to start putting away all the spring and summer decor that I have out and clearing everything for fall decor, because for this weekend, Labor Day weekend, I'm going to be decorating for fall and all the fall videos are going to be coming. So I want to go ahead and start putting everything away that I know for sure I won't be using in my fall decor, and I want to have everything dusted and ready to go. That way it's clean and ready for this weekend. So stick around to see some cleaning and organizing motivation. Before I start decorating for any season, I kind of make a game plan in my head of what I want to use, where I want to use things. I don't know exactly where I'm going to be putting everything, but I kind of make a mental note of the things I want to use. So pretty much anything I'm sure I won't be using, I'm putting in a bin. That way it's cleared off and I have all of those things out of the way when I get ready to decorate for fall this season. The kids were very anxious to help me dust and clean, and this is real life. This is how I get cleaning done with the kids. I have to carry Ella half of the time because she wants to be held, and the other half she doesn't want to be held, but she wants to get into things she shouldn't be getting into, the decorations. So while I'm cleaning the decorations, it's like calling her name for her to grab every single decoration because it's bringing attention to it. So it was definitely interesting filming this video because all she wanted to do was touch all the decorations. Mom life. This is one of my favorite spaces in the house to decorate. I just love the openness. I love decorating the fire mantle, and the gallery wall I feel like is so much fun, and it'll be really fun to create new spaces for each season. I left all the signs up. I do plan on changing the signs, but I have to pull out and see what I have because I'm not sure what signs will fit in this space. So for now I decided to leave all the signs up, but that'll definitely be getting a refresh for fall, and I can't wait to see what I'm gonna do with that. Here in the living room, I want to do like a buffalo check theme with small touches of orange, like a rustic orange, a light pale orange, like kind of blend those. Very few touches, but definitely I love the buffalo check. Then the cream and white color pumpkins. Then in the dining room, I want to do the mint green pumpkins. I have several from the dollar spot last year, and I want to incorporate a lot of that and greenery and just natural elements to the dining room and kitchen. So I'm really excited to put those two spaces together. Let me know in the comments down below, do you guys do themes per room? How do you decorate for the seasons? If you do, what style are you doing this year for fall? You guys know I love the rustic farmhouse style, so I'm really excited to incorporate those colors and themes into that. But let me know in the comments, what do you do? And also, of course, I had to have a dance party with the kids because poor Ella is at that stage where she's always falling and getting hurt. So dance parties always make it better and help get through all the cleaning that needs to get done. I also left all of the spring pillows, or at least 2 of the spring pillows, still on the couch because I plan on just covering them with pillow cover. That's a little tip if you don't have a lot of space and you want to change out your pillows. A great way to do that is just to buy pillow covers and just use the same pillows. That way you can change it seasonally, and it's a lot more affordable and takes up a lot less space. Although I do have my fair collection of pillows, but I do like changing out the pillow covers as well. Lookout for the month of September. I have a lot of fall videos coming. Some are decor, but I also have some homeschool related videos. I will be sharing soon my morning basket for the month of September, and then in October, of course, I'll share another one. I also will be changing out the books and recommending some fun fall books for September and October. So be on the lookout for decor videos, but also some homeschool videos that are fall themed. Fall is one of my favorite times of the year other than Christmas. It's just so much fun, and I love doing seasonal things for it. So be on the lookout for lots of fall themed videos coming your way. Remember when Chris and I were house shopping this last year, one of the things we always talked about that we thought would be really fun to put together is like a really fun and nice functional coffee station. Chris loves coffee and I really enjoy it too, but more than that, I enjoy decorating, and it's been such a fun combo, including all of the things he loves of coffee with my decorations. This is one of our favorite spaces in the house, and I can't wait to decorate it with pumpkins and all things fall, but it's really fun to see one of our dreams come to life in our new house. My mom recently picked up for me the Mrs. Meyer's apple cider all-purpose spray, and I picked up the pumpkin ones. And I had forgot how good this apple cider spray smells. I haven't tried the pumpkin one yet, but if you don't have the apple cider one, I definitely recommend it. I know if your Target doesn't sell it, I did see it on Amazon, but it just smells so good. It made the whole entire house smell amazing, and it felt so ready for fall. It took everything inside of me to hold off and not decorate until this weekend, but definitely recommend checking out that spray. Hope you enjoyed this style video, this cleaning and motivation to get ready for a new season. If you did, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe because I have so many fun videos coming in the month of September. If you have any requests, please let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys on another video next time. Bye!